First up, a 10-second voice test has emerged as a potential breakthrough in detecting type 2 diabetes. This innovative approach relies on analyzing subtle vocal cues to identify early indicators of the condition. If validated, this non-invasive and rapid diagnostic tool could revolutionize diabetes screening and early intervention. The development underscores the diverse applications of voice analysis in healthcare and its potential to improve the detection and management of chronic diseases.
Moving forward,
a stroke-detecting cap has the potential to diagnose stroke patients even before they arrive at the hospital. This remarkable advancement in medical technology aims to expedite stroke diagnosis and improve patient outcomes by reducing treatment delays. The cap, equipped with sensors, provides rapid data that can aid medical professionals in making quicker, more informed decisions. It underscores the power of innovative healthcare solutions to enhance emergency care.
Next up,
a recent claim of a spectacular superconductor discovery has raised doubts and skepticism among experts in the field. The alleged breakthrough, which could potentially revolutionize energy transmission, is being met with caution and the need for rigorous scientific validation. This situation emphasizes the importance of peer review and thorough scrutiny in scientific advancements, highlighting the need for evidence and consensus in groundbreaking discoveries.
Moving forward,
in a surprising twist, a superlensing microscope has emerged without the need for a superlens. This unconventional approach in microscopy challenges traditional expectations and offers an alternative means of achieving super-resolution imaging. By bypassing the requirement for superlenses, this innovation has the potential to simplify and broaden the applications of super-resolution microscopy.
Next up,
a consortium of international partners is collaborating to develop a hydrogen-powered gas turbine, signifying a significant step towards advancing clean and sustainable energy solutions. This initiative showcases the growing emphasis on hydrogen as a key player in the transition to greener energy sources. The consortium's efforts aim to reduce emissions and improve the efficiency of gas turbines, ultimately contributing to a more sustainable and eco-friendly energy landscape.
And that's it for today. If you like what we are making, then please show support by subscribing and hitting that like button. That will motivate us. And so you are still here, then please comment your favorite part and suggest any improvement. Thank you for watching till here.